Sell, sell, sell! I'm Rick, and this shut the heck up, you stinking roosters. Nailed that for your sanity! This is the shack. Hey everybody, welcome. Hey, if you're new to the channel or if this is your first time stopping by, thank you so much for taking some of your time out to view. Always ask that you would consider subscribing, and if you do, ring the ding that bell down there so you are notified when these videos do come out. Give it a thumbs up, like it, and share. It definitely helps the channel. I did not get a video out yesterday. I actually really didn't get out to the shop today. It's 2 days I didn't make it out here because there were a few things going on. Wednesday, because whenever I do, like, this video is Thursday night, it'll come out Friday. They're always a day behind, so whatever I do Friday comes out Saturday, whatever I do Saturday comes out Monday. So today is Thursday, this video will come out Friday. I didn't put one out today, Thursday, because I was busy Wednesday. Didn't even get a chance to do anything. I basically got up. I decided to post a bunch of stuff that I found through all these piles. Some of the old Falcon parts that I had from my dad's car. When I sold it, I basically sold everything with it, and there's a few things that I've found since then. So I posted this stuff, and I was not prepared for what followed. Literally, I was inundated from 9:30 all day. People were chiming in, wanting to know how much for it. Because basically what I did was I laid stuff out, took a bunch of pictures, said, this is what I have for sale. If you're interested, private message me and we'll discuss price. And it was just boom, 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 boom. I'm crazy. I literally sold $400 in one day, and my time was basically spent. They say, how much for that? Well, I went online, checked eBay and stuff. If it was selling for $200, I said 150, 125. I'm not trying to get rich off it. I just want to get rid of it. It's been here for 10 years. It's time to get rid of. If it can help in your build, if you need it for your car, I can bless you. And that's it. I'm not trying to make a living off of it. I just need to get rid of it. So I was just boom, boom. I had the guy come from Glendora immediately and bought $200 worth of stuff. I got some grills I'm selling. I got to get prices on shipping, but that's a problem because you're looking about $100 some to ship it because of the size. They're not heavy, they're just weird size. They're long, so they're oversized, and they charge a premium for that, which kind of bites. So that's what my day was Wednesday. Nothing but returning messages, getting prices, selling items. It was absolutely crazy, but a blessing. It was so great that that happened, but it was a little bit overwhelming. So today, Thursday, I had to do a couple of errands. I had to go check out a commercial building that I take care of. They had electrical issues. I had to take care of that. Sometimes you can't stay home. There are things that need to be done. So I had to do that. Had to go to the post office, dropped off some of the stuff that I sold Wednesday. Got it in there, dropped off to ship. And then I went to a friend's house and dropped off some items that I had gone through here and asked if he wanted, and he said yes, he wanted them. So it was kind of a busy day, and then I got home. I actually was cleaning stuff up. It was seriously hot today. I mean, I was dying out here. Couldn't stay out here. It was too hot. So I went in the house, cleaning the fans. I baked potatoes. I'm going to make potato salad. And I decided to go ahead. What I had left over, I made one more carrot cake. So I'm out of all supplies for my carrot cake now. I baked the last one. So tomorrow I got to frost it. If you want to check that out, I've configured a very good recipe out of 3 other recipes, combined them, kind of mixed and matched, added what I like, and I absolutely love this carrot cake, and so far everybody tastes it, likes it. I will put a link to that up here. So that was it. That's all I've done. All day Wednesday was inundated by message requests for items with the price. So I spent all day doing that, sending back, negotiating, selling, Today I had to do some errands, drop some things off that I've sold to ship, and I just got out of the shower, so I thought I'd come in and make this real quick just to give you an update what's going on. So tomorrow, yes, Friday, I will be back out here. Last few days have been crazy, but they've been fantastic. They've been good days. I just don't like the heat, and it's going to be hot for the next 10 days, and I don't like the heat. I can add on clothes to get warmer, but you can be bare naked and still be sweating your cojones off. I hate the heat. I don't like heat. With that said, all this will be more posting, and actually if anybody out there, if you're watching this, and I'll kind of put some tags in there, 64 Ford Falcon, 64, 65 Ford Ranchero. Now I got grills, hoods, fenders. I think that's the main body of the stuff that's left. Oh, I got 14-inch Falcon Sprint hubcaps. And if I find pictures, I'll just kind of pop them up as I'm talking so you'll see. If you know anybody, and I'll actually try to list what I have in the description below. And as I sell, I'll update that list. But anyway, if you guys know anybody that has old cars like that or is into something like that, let them know. I do have some parts for sale. I just need to get rid of it. If I can help you out and you build, I'm more than happy to do that. So that's going to be a very short video, quick update what's going on, what happened, and it's been crazy, but it's been crazy good. But with that said, thank you so much for watching. Be blessed. Take back your check for your sanity. Stay cool. It's getting hot. And another week, I'm done with this. I am out and about, getting my life back. See you next video.